Hi everyone, I'm Nurse Nicole, and today we are going to be reviewing Novarel. So congratulations if you've made it to this point. This is one of your trigger shot injections. You received 2 boxes of this medication. For this dose, we'll be reviewing the 10,000 unit injection. So you'll need both of your boxes. Inside each box is a powdered medication, and each one comes with a liquid solution as well. You'll need both of those powders, but you will only need one of the liquids. We are going to mix this liquid into our powders for a 10,000 unit injection. So you'll go ahead and remove the cap off of the water vial. And you're going to take your syringe and pull down with air until you have about 1 milliliter of air in that syringe. You'll go ahead and carefully remove your needle cap. And with your liquid solution, go ahead and inject that needle into the top of the vial and push your air in. You'll carefully flip your vial over and withdraw 1 milliliter of that liquid solution out. There will be more than 1 milliliter, so there'll be liquid remaining in there, but you only need 1 milliliter to do this mixture. You'll go ahead and set that down, remove your needle, and go ahead and uncap both of those powder vials. Each vial contains 5,000 units of medication, and again, we want a 10,000 unit dose. So starting with that first powder, you'll go ahead and stick that needle through the top and inject all of the liquid into the powder. It should dissolve pretty quickly, but if not, you can go ahead and gently swirl it. Once you see that that mixture is nice and clear, you'll flip it over and withdraw all of that medication out into your syringe. It should be about 1 milliliter again, but you'll want to get everything out. Now, a helpful tip with this medication is that you want to ensure that the top of the needle is submerged in that liquid. So you may need to move your needle in and out to ensure that it is actually pulling the liquid through. So once you have all of your medication in the syringe, we'll repeat that same process with our second powder. So you'll stick the needle through the top, inject our mixture into that second powder, and now we have both medication powders mixed into our liquid. So we'll flip it over and withdraw all of that medication back out. So now we have 2 powders mixed into our liquid. We'll flip it over and we will gently remove that needle. And we are done with the mixing process. So we have both powders mixed into our liquid. We'll take our needle cap and gently place it back on that syringe, twist it off, and you can put that needle straight into your sharp spin. We're now going to use our injection needle. So we'll go ahead and open up that package, remove our needle, and twist it on to our syringe carefully. Your Novarel trigger shot is an intramuscular injection, which means you will be injecting into the upper outer quadrant of your butt. The best way to pick out your real estate is to stick your hand like this, like you're putting it in your pocket, and you're going to inject in between where your thumb and pointer finger are, so right around here. So it will be closer to the hip area, but you don't want to go too far over. So once you've picked out your spot, you'll go ahead and clean off the site, remove your needle cap, and you are going to inject with a dart-like motion into the upper outer quadrant. That whole needle needs to go into your skin. And once it is inserted, you'll press down on the end of your plunger to eject the medication. Needle will come out, and then you're done. This is a single-use supply, so you'll go ahead and drop it into your sharps container just like all your other injections.